What holiday coffee drinks sell best at pop-up coffee stands? The strongest sellers are usually peppermint mochas, gingerbread lattes, caramel drinks, and warm apple or chai beverages. Peppermint mochas sell well because chocolate and mint feel festive, familiar, and easy to recognize on a menu. Gingerbread lattes attract customers who want warm baking spices such as cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and clove without choosing a very sweet drink. Caramel drinks are dependable because caramel is popular with many age groups and works with coffee, milk, and whipped cream. Chai lattes and apple cider are useful choices for customers who do not want coffee but still want a holiday flavor. A smart pop-up menu should offer these drinks in hot and iced versions, because some customers enjoy cold beverages even during winter. Keep the menu small, since too many choices slow the line and make it harder to prepare drinks consistently. One lesser-known fact is that customers often buy holiday drinks because of their names and toppings, so a simple latte can sell better when it has a seasonal name: cinnamon, chocolate pieces, or a striped candy garnish. Before opening, test a few recipes with real customers, record which drinks sell fastest, and prepare extra ingredients for the top 2 choices. A common mistake is making every drink overly sweet, so offer an option with less syrup and clearly explain it. Another mistake is using too many specialty ingredients, which can create waste when the event is quiet, so choose flavors that can be shared across several drinks. Some sellers also forget that speed matters more than a long menu, so prepare syrups in advance and place the most popular drinks where customers can see them. Be careful with whipped cream and decorative toppings, because they look appealing but can slow service and melt during outdoor events. Finally, do not assume the most expensive drink earns the most money. Calculate the cost of coffee, milk, flavoring, cups, lids, and labor before setting the price. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.